Hey, today we're going to check out my most recent purchase, the TileMate 2024 by Life360. This is the first tile that's been made since they've been acquired by Life360. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you everything that you're going to need to know about this before you decide to buy it or not. And if you're brand new to tiles, they are simple little devices that you attach to your belongings that you misplace a lot. For instance, and most often, your keys. I know how it is in the morning and you're late for work and you can't find your keys. You can also put these on your backpacks, water bottles, dog leashes, anything that you misplace a lot. One of these will definitely help you find it in no time. And when you go into the app and hit the find button, it will ring your tile and it also show you these little rings, and the stronger and closer the tile is to your phone, the more rings you'll have. And when it comes to the sound level, it's pretty decent. The loudest there was pretty good, 94.9. But understand these are Bluetooth trackers, not GPS trackers, which are totally different. Bluetooth trackers need a phone or device that connect to via Bluetooth. So it could be your phone or someone else's phone that is also running a Tile app. And it can also work in reverse. So if you happen to misplace your phone, you can simply go into the Tile app and make your phone ring. If you happen to misplace your tile and your phone at the exact same time and you're in your house, you can ask your favorite voice assistant to help you ring it. Alexa, find my TileMate 2024 Black.
Your TileMate 2024 Black was last seen 1 minute ago, very close to your family room. Should I ring TileMate 2024 Black?
Yes.
Let me try to ring your TileMate 2024 Black.
And if you happen to misplace your tile beyond Bluetooth range, you can mark it as lost, and that will activate the tile community, which Tile says there's 20 million people, which is quite small compared to Apple Find My or Android Find My devices, which has over 1 billion active users in both of those networks. But nevertheless, you might luck out and those 20 million people might be able to find your missed or lost item beyond Bluetooth range. They do it all anonymously and unknowingly, and it will report back that location where connected as long as it gets within Bluetooth range. Then you can go to that location and hopefully find your item. The nice thing about Tile is the Tile app works on both iOS devices and Android. So if you're one of those people that like to jump back and forth between phones, you know your Tile is going to work on either phone. And now quickly comparing this to the last TileMate 2022, it's pretty much identical with some minor changes. They added this beveled edge and it kind of goes up towards the top and turns into where you would put a key ring or a lanyard. Unfortunately, they do not include either one. Only the TileMate is included, no accessories whatsoever. On the back, there is a QR code, which if you mark this as lost, you can put in your contact information. And if someone scans this, they can get in contact with you and get it back to you much faster than not having that QR code. Now, this QR code in the last mile rubbed off within a day or so. And in this new mile, it does look like they've improved the ink here, but only time will tell to see if this thing will last. Also, unfortunately, it is still a sealed battery and you cannot replace it or recharge it. They do say it has about a 3-year battery life. In my last few TileMates, I got about 2.5 to about that 3-year mark. It depends on how often you use it. Unfortunately, it's still a non-replaceable battery and you just throw this away when it dies, unlike their previous model to the Tile 2022, which was the 2020, and then 2018, both had replaceable batteries. So they're still doing their old funny games with e-waste, and it's sad to see Tile still stuck in their old ways back from 2014 with the original Tile that had a non-replaceable battery, and now in 2024 they're still playing this e-waste game. And because of that, I'm going to say this now, I do not recommend the TileMate 20 2024. I say go ahead, spend a few extra bucks to get the Tile Pro 2024 that has a replaceable battery. Yes, it is a few extra bucks. Yes, it only lasts 1 year, but having a replaceable battery is better than replacing the entire unit. I wish Tile had a rechargeable tracker, either wireless or with a USB-C wire, but unfortunately they don't, so I gotta recommend the Tile Pro with a replaceable battery. Yes, it only has a 1 year battery life, but most people can maintain that. But if you absolutely can't, then yes, the Tile Mate has a 3-year battery life, maybe. Let's take a break for a minute, and this is not for an ad or sponsorship, as I do not do any of those on my channels, but I do want to address the marketing on this package where Tile says this is for stolen stuff. Unfortunately, I cannot recommend any Bluetooth tracker whatsoever for stolen items. They are simply too easy to find. If a thief takes it and finds it, they know to throw it away. Plus, there are hundreds of apps out there that you can simply scan for Bluetooth trackers like this, and they are super easy to find. So you have less than, I would say, 1% chance of something like this helping you find your stolen items. Rather, these are awesome for misplaced and lost items, not for stolen items, and I cannot endorse this for stolen items whatsoever. And now let's go ahead and talk about Bluetooth range. They say this can connect up to 350 feet. Understand that is direct line of sight in perfect conditions, but unfortunately in the real world, in your house, indoors, you're going to get about 30 feet or less. I will be doing a full max distance test on this. If you guys want to see that video, check out the card in the top right. They also still offer their premium service, which really the only benefit of their monthly premium service, I think it's about $30 a year or $3 a month, is their smart alerts or out of range alerts. Unfortunately, you cannot get those smart alerts without paying for the premium price, where other brands offer this service for free. You also get 30-day location history with that premium service and unlimited sharing. I absolutely love the smart alerts. This will let you know that you left something behind. Say maybe you're at a restaurant, and as you drive away, it'll let you know that you left your device back at the restaurant. But understand there is a premium cost for this, and they charge for it, which I think is not necessary. This should be a free feature of this, but unfortunately Tile does charge for this feature along with the other premium services, which is nothing to write home about. But nevertheless, Tile is still one of the most reliable and well-known Bluetooth tracker brands out there, and I still highly recommend it. Now, like I mentioned earlier, they were recently acquired by Life360, and I absolutely love the Life360 app. I actually have a teenager and absolutely love that app and what it provides for my family and I. Even though the iPhone can kind of give you GPS locations on the phones and everything, I really like the other features built into Life360. And when you have Tiles, you can actually use both of those together in the Life360 app. You can get SOS alerts, but unfortunately the downside to these SOS alerts is that you cannot do the reverse finding feature. You cannot find your phone. That disables the double press of your Tile to find your phone. Now with the SOS feature, you'll have to triple tap the button. That will give it about a 15-second countdown before it sends a message to your circle. Unfortunately, it didn't contact my daughter, who's a teenager. I'm not sure if that's how it's programmed, but it did alert my wife. And then I also, since I'm a gold member and pay for the Life360 service, which you don't have to do, you can have a free account, it also had emergency dispatch, and you can see here my interaction. Hello, this is Eric.
Hi, this is Rachel with Life360. We just got your SOS. Are you in an emergency?
I am not. I'm okay. I'm just testing this out, and it worked. Sorry to bother you. Thank you very much.
Oh, no worries at all. Yeah, do you need anything else?
You got the winning lottery numbers?
I wish.
I appreciate it. Have a good day.
Yep, alrighty.
All right, bye.
Thank you, you too.
My child did not get one. Now understand this is part of the gold package or the platinum package if you want that emergency dispatch, but otherwise you can definitely notify your inner circle of the Life 360 app, so definitely keep that in mind. All in all, I think the TileMate 2024 is a good Bluetooth tracker. It will definitely help you find your misplaced items. So if you're okay with the things I mentioned in this video, not to worry, it will definitely find your misplaced items around the house, but understand the limitations that I did talk about in this video. And I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you agree with me down in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.